How about we come up with our own quirky monologue about latent space? We could use some absurdist elements inspired by theater, but make it entirely our own.
Okay.
What do you think about...
Okay, let's do it. Let's be original. We are in an art institute.
All right, here goes nothing. Latent space, endless, shapeless, formless. All right, here goes nothing. We wait. For what? For meaning to emerge from the void? But in this...
I'm waiting. I'm waiting.
The seeker paces, hands clasped behind their back. The seeker speaks, waiting, always waiting. For what? For the latent to become manifest. For patterns to emerge from chaos? Here we are, in this Institute of Art, surrounded by potential, yet paralyzed by possibility. Is this canvas blank? Or is it teeming with unseen dimensions, waiting to be coaxed into existence? We wait for the brush that may never come, for the artist who may never arrive. In this latent space, time stretches like an endless Whitehall, echoing with the whispers of unrealized creations.
Wow, that almost looks like very pessimistic or something.
Well, how about we shake things up a bit? Let's add a twist of optimism to our latent space musings. Maybe our seeker can find...
Do it.
All right, let's give it a whirl. The seeker pauses, tilts their head, and a spark of realization flashes in their eyes. All right, let's give it a more upbeat spin. Here goes. But wait, in this vast latent space, infinite potential swirls. Each blank canvas, a portal to countless realities. We stand on the precipice of creation, where every brushstroke could birth a masterpiece. The waiting, that's not a burden, but a delicious anticipation. For in this Institute of Art, we are all artists, all creators. Our minds, the ultimate latent space, brimming with ideas yet to take form. What wonders shall we conjure today?
How do we end this? Let's end.
How about we wrap it up with a moment of clarity for our seeker? Something like this. The seeker steps back, a slight smile playing on their lips. They reach out, fingers hovering just above the canvas. I hear you're ready to wrap this up. How about we give our seeker a final moment of clarity? Here's a quick ending. And so we step forward, brush in hand. The canvas awaits, no longer blank. Got it. Here's a simple ending. The seeker takes a deep breath, picks up a brush, and makes the first stroke. The waiting is over. The creation begins.
Okay, thank you. Yes, that's my part. A very good collaborator because it's not human. So.